DLSU to DLSU Christmas tree.
Uy, sakto. December 25 ngayon. Merry Christmas, guys.
Okay, tara, umahan muna eh. Diyan lang oh.
Oo nga, actually.
Tayo counter, somewhere. Animal counter 1, 2, 3, 4. Grabe, mas malaki pala sa loob.
Okay, ano reaction?
Ganyan lang pala.
May aircon pa nga eh.
Ano reaction?
Kala ko kasi like,
Ganda, maganda.
Ateneo walang aircon pero Christmas tree ng Lasal meron. Aircon counter 2.
High-tech guys, umiikot oh. Tapos umiilaw.
So, ito na yung fireplace.
May aircon kasi.
Nag-shade better.
May aircon guys kaya kailangan ng fireplace.
Malaki pala since there's another room there. Tara guys, pasok na tayo.
Aircon counter 3 and 4.
Hey guys, nasa boat tayo. Solid, may films pa. Them transitions though. Hey, waterfall. Waterfall down.
Ito na yung tubig.
I'm thirsty, bro.
Diyan pinanganak si Jesus okay?
Let's go.
Okay, papunta na tayo sa Earth.
Uy! Uy, Philippines!
University counter number. Isa siya.
Amen. Live Jesus in our hearts.
Forever.
Bye-bye!
Bye guys, bye guys. Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, so yun yung Christmas tree ng Lasal. We just really want to say Merry Christmas to everyone out there watching our videos.
Merry Christmas to all of you guys.
Thank you guys sa pagsama sa amin this year. Hindi namin nakakalain na magiging ganun ngayon TikTok. So, hopefully next year, mas madami mo kaming gagawin. Tapos nandun pa rin kayo malamang.
Thank you guys for the support.
Yeah, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for making this a series. Bye guys. Thank you so much.
Damihan mo nga.
Okay na, ano ba?
Damihan mo nga, sabi mo.
Hindi ka ba thankful?
Guys, I'm very thankful, okay?
Kiss muna, kiss.
Kaya ko eh.
Dali na, kiss na, kiss na. Dali na, dali na. Dali na.